In case you guys missed the community post, Home Depot ended up raising its dividend, guys. So Home Depot declares $1.90 per share quarterly, which is a 15.2% increase from the prior dividend of $1.65. So congrats to all the Home Depot shareholders. This is awesome. This is what's pretty amazing of holding great long-term solid companies. As you guys have seen, the volatility has been pretty bad in the market, and we're getting 15% increase, growing that dividend snowball much larger. So congrats to all the Home Depot shareholders. What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 123 of the portfolio update. Hopefully you guys are doing awesome. I definitely am, especially with all the volatility going on with in the market. It's creating some great buying opportunities for the long term. Remember that we're long-term investors, and we don't mind any type of corrections, crashes, because that means that it's just discounts on some great solid companies. As you guys saw, we got a massive dividend raise from Home Depot, which was pretty amazing, and we're gonna see how much that actually brought up our dividend snowball. So remember, these are projections that we have for our dividend income, and so far we have all this generated. By the end of the video, we will see how much we grew this. This would include the Home Depot dividend raise plus some other companies I was buying this week, so it'll be very exciting. Remember, we're trying to achieve this. This is one of our goals for our yearly income and dividends projections. If I pull up actually this, you'll see that we're trying to make about $300 on average per month each quarter. So we are going to get there eventually. We are currently doing about $256, so we have about maybe $44 or so left to go, and it'll be very exciting when we achieve this goal for 2022. But anyways, in this video, what I plan to do is I'm going to be showing you guys the Home Depot dividend, how it's actually going to affect our dividend snowball, because we have all these scripts as well. I will be showing you if during the video, if I get a error pop up when I run the scripts, I will show you a workaround that I do have, but I will be showing you the yield on cost and how that's affecting us for Home Depot. And then we're going to jump into the activities, what I bought, what I sold, any dividends that came in, because actually yesterday we got the last dividend for the month of February, so it'll be very exciting. And we'll wrap up the video by finding out how much this dividend snowball grew, guys, because remember that every month we come back, we see this quarterly dividend continue to go up and up, and so far we have made $222.11 for the first quarter. We are going to be adding the amount of dividends we made for the month of February, so this should go up higher. And at the end of the day, guys, we had to do absolutely nothing for this. Our portfolio went to go work for us. They were getting paid at an hourly rate of $1.48 every hour, so it is pretty exciting. We're going to eventually get this to minimum wage. We'll see how long that takes, but overall, I'm going to show you here. So I'm going to show you the Home Depot one, which I'm just very interested in seeing how this is going to affect it. So this is our holdings from our portfolios. I have all these scripts completely available for free. All I ask in return is that you're subscribed with that bell notification if you have not done so already. As well, drop a big thumbs up on the video, helps out the channel a lot. So first thing here is Home Depot. As you'll see, line 12, you'll see that the value of it is $3,196.78. Our cost basis means this is how much we've invested into Home Depot, $2,206.57. So this is our actual cost basis, $239.32. And then our yield on cost, this is 2.76%, which is pretty amazing versus the current dividend yield of $1.90. Not $1.90, but $1.90%. And this is actually pretty amazing, guys. Do you see the big difference here? And this doesn't even include the dividend. So I'm just kind of curious to see how much this is going to affect it by just getting the dividend raises. So let's go ahead and jump over here to the latest dividends. Well, I actually clicked on the wrong one, but we're going to click here, dividend payout. One of the things I do want to point out for the new subscribers, this is a script I do have. It sorts this out by any companies that have declared out a dividend, and this is actually sorted out by payout date. So as you'll see, we are going to be getting American Waterworks on March 1st, as well by Visa, and then Pfizer on the 4th of March. So it's just very nice seeing this, knowing what dividends are coming up. The other table I do have over here, this is actually sorted out by X dividend date. So if we look, we're right around the end of February, so this sorts it out by X dividend date. So this could tell you, hey, you could still buy Lockheed Martin and then get paid out on the March 25th, McDonald's on the 15th of March, and so on, guys. So it's pretty awesome seeing this as well. But overall, let's go ahead and click off on the portfolio tools, get latest dividends, and we'll see if everything works. It looks like it will be working, and at this point we give it a minute or two, and there it goes, guys. It's actually running, and there we go. So we didn't encounter an error. Typically you'll encounter an error here. I do have a workaround. Let me know in the comment section if you guys would like me to show you guys that way of workaround. If you guys have been running into those issues, I actually implemented it, and I was going to show you if we did run into it, but we did not. I'll save that for another video. But yeah, guys, look, we will see. Here is the Home Depot dividend raise, guys. 15% increase. These scripts are super helpful for me because I have to do nothing, just kick off the scripts, and then I can see what is coming up. So now that we do have this, let's go ahead and just go to holdings. Actually, let's go ahead and go right here to the dashboard. Remember, I already went ahead and made a copy of this just so that we could see the comparisons before we kick off the holdings. I want to see how much that dividend raise actually affected it. So remember, guys, Home Depot is here, and we have a yield on cost of 2.76%. Dividend yield is 1.90%, I guess. And then so let's go ahead and click portfolio tools, and then update portfolio holdings, and let's wait. And I'm actually probably gonna go ahead and sort this out by alphabetical order, and we should see this on line 12 again. And this is so awesome, guys. Yield on cost is now 3.18%, and then dividend yield is 2.19%. So how cool is that, guys? With this, how much we increased it. And I did forget to look at the annual payout on how much that increased, but now it is going to be $7.60. So that is pretty sweet. Let's go over here to the dashboard, just see how much this affected it. For the year, we went up about $9 just from the Home Depot raise, guys. How cool is that? So this actually doesn't include everything I bought this week. So just wait till the very end, because this is going to be pretty exciting. But let's go ahead and jump over here to M1. As you'll see, the portfolio is currently at $198,901.36. You'll see that we do have about $16.79 in our cash balance. This will get reinvested on Monday morning so that we can buy more shares and continue that snowball. But if we look at the value over time, we'll look at the 1 week. See if that actually gives us some good information. You saw that we actually dropped all the way to 191,000. I believe we dropped even further. We dropped in the 180s in the portfolio. I was like, man, I really need to deposit some money to buy this dip. And so if we look at the 1 month, you'll see that we're actually still up about 2.58% overall, but you'll see this huge drop, and then now we rebounded. But I did buy quite a couple companies. I deposited some money. I'm kind of tight on money right now, but I did put some money that I could. But you'll see this volatility in the portfolio. Over the long term, we're going to be seeing this go up and up. This is just creating great buying opportunities. If we look at the overall, since we've been investing, trend is upwards, guys. So time in the market is awesome. But if we look at the activities, guys, I will be showing you everything we bought and sold this week. So if we look right here, this was actually the 21st of February when this started. And if we look on the 22nd of February, we did 2 buys, $14.23. This was just from the reinvestment of the companies of the dividends. So we got Caterpillar and Costco. They reinvested the dividend. And then on the 23rd, guys, we deposited $420 so we could buy some of the dip. And so $20 were from actually Starbucks, because remember, we are going to get a dividend from Starbucks, which we got it. But I will show you on the 23rd, we did 3 buys. And so we actually bought $200 of Home Depot. And if we look, cost basis, well, I guess the share price was about $315. We bought about 0.6 shares, which is pretty awesome there. And then the other one I did buy was Target, guys. 196. This is getting really good on the price. We bought 1 share, so I was very happy with that one. And then if we look at this one, Starbucks as well, it was around $92. So this was pretty sweet. But on the 25th, guys, we got the dividend Starbucks of $16.79, which was pretty amazing. So I went ahead and added $20 to the Starbucks. So next quarter we should get even more dividends. Right while we're here, let's go ahead and click on this calculate dividends button. This just adds up all the dividends. As you guys will see, it is $16.79 is what we made for dividends this week passively, guys. And we do get a tax benefit, remember, because after you hold the company for more than 3 months, it becomes qualified dividends, so you get a tax advantage there. Yeah, this is actually all I have for you on the M1 account. Let's go ahead and jump over here to the Google Sheets. You'll see that this is what we kicked off with the Home Depot dividend, but the one that I'm kind of actually curious about is going to be how much these $420 we actually reinvested, or I guess bought the dip with, how they affected our portfolio dividend snowball. So I'm going to go right here to settings, guys. We're going to go ahead and delete this, and we're going to jump over to personal capital. Again, guys, I do have all these scripts available for free. All I ask in return is that you subscribe with that bell notification. If you've already done that, drop a big thumbs up on the video, helps out the channel a lot. But let's go ahead and jump over here. So here's personal capital. As you'll see, I am in the M1 account. You'll see this green button. Click on it. All it does is it'll copy the content from your portfolio into the clipboard, and then you can actually jump back over into the Google Sheets, right click, and you just click paste special values only, and there you go. So at this point, if you go to holdings, you can actually go to portfolio tools, update portfolio holdings. This will actually just wipe everything and use the new version, and we just paste it into this Google Sheets. So you click update portfolio holdings, this will get wiped. We can jump over to the dashboard and see the projections going on. So how awesome is this, guys? So far, yearly we went up to $3,098.49 compared to $3,080. So buying the red does pay off, guys, and it will pay out even more long term. Monthly we went up about $2, $1.50 or so. Week we went up about what is that, a couple 20 or so cents, 30, I would say 36 if I did the math right. I don't know if I did, but the day we went up about 5 pennies, so that was pretty awesome. So every day that goes by now, we're making 5 more pennies. Hourly, we're still making about 35 cents an hour, and then hourly work wage, we actually went up 1 penny, guys. We're making $1.49. This is if our portfolio was to go work a 40-hour work week. They would get paid an hour $1.49. So how cool is that? We're gonna try to get this to minimum wage, see how long that takes us, but that will be a pretty awesome goal to achieve. This is actually all I have for you guys in this video. If you stuck all the way to the very end, be sure to drop a hashtag dip, because we were buying the dip, and you know, we will continue. We will see how the market continues on these next couple months. I think in the long term, if we are taking advantage of these dips, it will pay off. We will be back, our future selves will be thanking us, and it'll be very exciting. And again, if you have not done so already, make sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification as well. You drop a big thumbs up on the video, helps out the channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye guys.